Each summer, North Penn teachers have the opportunity to attend a variety of peer-teacher workshops, which are supported by the Merck Institute for Science Education Partnership. This year, we are offering 13 separate sessions dealing with math, science, and technology.
I think our basic philosophy is that the best way to learn science is by doing science. So what our programs really emphasize is to provide a very, very rich set of experiences for teachers to actually experience science. So what we've done is create instructional teams that have individuals with a variety of skills as instructors. One or two of the members of each of the instructional teams have very, very strong content background. So these are geologists who do geology for a living, or chemists who do chemistry for a living. And they're able to provide some very, very deep and rich experiences for the teachers. And as the teachers actually experience and do science, they learn a great deal of science. At the same time, they also learn a great deal about how to teach it most effectively to their students.
This year, the peer-teacher workshops will be offered in June and early July. There is one science workshop for each grade level, K to 5, and one for the 7th and 8th grade teachers. There are 3 standards-based math offerings, K to 2, 3 to 5, and 7 and 8. 6th grade teachers may choose a session integrating technology with math and science. This year, we are also offering an extension course in math for those who attended the investigations workshops last year and would like to continue to investigate standards-based mathematics. These will be 3-day workshops in July. The focus of each workshop is on effective teaching strategies, including inquiry-centered instruction, management techniques, integration of math, science, and technology, and assessment.
One of the very, very important aspects of a workshop is to delineate very clearly what are the learning goals for the curriculum materials. I think it's pretty clear that these curriculum materials generate a lot of student interest. What is frequently less clear is the answer to the question, what have the students learned? Or did they learn the science that is behind these curriculum materials? Another important part of the institute, or of the workshop, has to do with student performance assessment. To answer that very important question, what have the students learned? Assessment, I think, is playing an increasingly important role in our workshop. And of course, there's always plenty of time for discussion among teachers if they've taught this material before, to share some of their teaching strategies.
Teachers participate in active, hands-on lessons which demonstrate the planning and implementing of these strategies. Each grade level has one module unit or kit which will provide the content for the week, but the development of the pedagogy can be used to address other science kits as well as other subjects.
One of the, I think, very, very important features of our work with teachers is that this work is ongoing. It just doesn't stop at the end of a wonderful one-week institute during the summer. But we work with teachers to support them during the academic year. We bring the teachers back together so that they can reflect on what they've learned. They can share their experiences. They can bring student work samples to the table. And they can enter into many, many conversations that are very, very rich.
The North Penn Peer Teacher Workshops give you as a teacher new and exciting methods of engaging students in math, science, and technology. We hope you will join us this summer for one or more peer teacher workshops.